Hi, hi. I'm Shevin Sam of registration number URK 18 CS277. Today I'm going to explain the 10th experiment JDBC on Database Management Systems Lab. So the aim is to develop an application using JDBC connectivity and to execute queries. So let's go to JDBC's to talk about JDBC, that is Java Database Connectivity, is an application program interface API for programming language Java, which defines how a client may access a database. So you're creating a database over here for Java program. Is a Java-based data access technology used for Java database connectivity. It's a part of Java Standard Edition platform from Oracle Corporation. So that's it's a part of Java Standard Edition platform from Oracle Corporation. So this Java database JDBC is mainly used for Java programming. So it's like creating. So in this, you're going to create a database, and then you're going to set up an SQL program, and then you're going to set up an SQL program, and then you are going to call that SQL by creating a package over here and calling that SQL and then getting the details from there. So let's go directly into the program where experiment 10 DBMS is a package we're going to create, and we import a java.sql that got saved over there. And then public class experiment 10 public static void main string of arguments, it throws an exception. So class for name is like Oracle JDBC driver, Oracle driver drive. So you're getting the connection. So you're creating a class, and that is oracle.jdbc. And connection, you're getting driver manager. It's getting connected to the local host to your system. It's getting connected to the system where the Java SQL is getting saved. Statement is your connection create statement. Result set execute query, select star from employee company. So the result you're getting, you're connecting it with java.sql, calling on to the statement, connecting with the statement, and the result what should get displayed is we created a table called as employment company. So we are going to, the result will be, it will be displaying the details, the set of details, all the set of details from employee company, while r.next system out println. So it the result it gets displayed and no, it gets called on, not getting displayed, but it gets called on to the employee company table. And what all gets to get printed, what all needs to get printed, it should be name, the employment name, and salary. So only these two information just needs to get printed, but we have to call on to the java.sql, take the get the connection, and then print out the statement and print out what all needs to be displayed in the output screen. And then you're closing rs or close, s or close, and connection or close. You're then closing all the statements. So just we go directly into the program. So here I've created a table over here. Insert values, I've created a table over here, create table customers with id as in, name as care of 20, age of int, address of care, that is 25, salary decimal, that will be salary, it is a decimal value, can be points 82, and primary key id. So you're closing the table. So these are the columns to be needed. So table created to show what all the details, it will be id, name, age, address, and salary. The first three is not null. The types is also been given over here. Now you are inserting values into this thing. I've inserted 6 of them. So insert into customers, their ID, name, age, address, and salary. So first one is Ramesh, age 32, address Ahmedabad, salary 2000.00. 00 is where we defined it over here. Salary decimal will be 2 will be coming over here. 2 points. So now first row created. So the second row is also to Kilan 25, Delhi 1500.00. For third person Kaushik 23 quota, and it will be 2000. And then fourth one will be Chitali 25 Mumbai, 6,500. Fifth one is Hardik 27 Bhopal 8,500. And the next one is ID, name, age, address, salary for sixth person Kamal B22 from MP, and then he'll be his salary will be 4,500. So total of 6 rows has been created, and then to select star from customers, it shows the entire table. Ramesh, Kalan, Kaushik, Chitali, Hardik, and Kamal's details with their age, with their address and salaries. As so, 6 rows will be given in this table. 6 rows has been displayed on this table. Now to show out what also we'll be creating a connection statement in Oracle. We'll be creating a package over here with the connection statement and calling out the employee names and their salaries. So with their salary, so you can find out that printing to get the string e name and just the salaries just need to get displayed. You're calling onto the table, and then once you call onto the table, there would be only the names. Also, what got terminated is only the names and the salaries, because only these two had to get printed. So the names and the salary just got printed over here. So this is how we get connected with Java database connectivity to call on to the SQL that was created before and just use it in Oracle. So here ends my 10th program. So this is what about 10th program JDBC for Database Management Systems Lab. Thank you.